Students of class 9 are welcome in biology classes by k.k.singh Minerva Public School. In my opinion, biology is your most favorite subject. So I have taken it and I have started the first chapter as cell. It will be helpful for both class 8 and 9. Cell, what is cell? As we know, the brick is made up of by combining by putting bricks one over another and using cements and other binding materials. In the same way, our body is also made up of a number of bricks like a structure that is called cell. The cell is the basic unit of life, just the brick is the basic unit of your building. The cell is the basic unit of life, it is the fundamental unit of life, it is a structural unit of life, it is functional unit of life, and it is also hereditary unit of life. Why it is a structural? I have already discussed that the whole body of an organism is made up of either one cell or a millions of cells, many number of cells. If it is made up of one cell, it is unicellular. It is made of many cells, it is multicellular. Since the body of organism is made up of cells, therefore cell is the structural unit of life. It is functional unit of life. Why? Because all the life processes, all the functions of the life are performed by cell. Hence it is functional unit of life. It is hereditary unit of life. Why? Because every cell has a nucleus, and in the nucleus chromosomes are absent which contains genes, and these genes always occurs in pair, and these genes are the carrier of heredity from parents to offspring. Thus, we see that the cell is the basic unit of life, structural unit of life, functional unit of life, and also hereditary unit of life. Next, we will see who discovered cell. Who discovered cell? The Robert Hooke discovered cell in 1665. While he was experimenting something on slice of carp with his own microscope, he had made the microscope of his own. While he is experimenting, he saw hexagonal chambers in it, and he immediately called it cellula. The cellula means a small compartment, and the cellula later on becomes in the cell. Thus, Robert Hooke was actually not experimenting on the cell. He was doing something other. He was doing or working on some other experiment. But while he was observing the slice of cork is a cork. What is cork? Cork is the bark of a tree. He saw the chambers, hexagonal chambers, and in his own language he called it cellula. Cellula means a small chamber. A small chamber. And later on it said, but at when the scientist means Robert Hooke discovered the cell, it was dead cell and there was no cell organelle inside the chamber. It was just empty chamber. Later on, many scientists discovered many things, and then we will study the other cell organelles one by one. But before we see that cell theory. In 1838-1839, two German scientists, one botanist who studied plants life, and other geologist who studied animals life, together form proposed cell theory. Cell theory, according to cell theory, a new cell is born or formed from a pre-existing cell. If there is no cell, no new cell will be formed. And then we will study other cell, other discovery like mitochondria, cytoplasm, etc. And then we study one by one all the cell organelles.